Okay, this unit on Lesson 9, Sequencing Rotations, is actually a short unit, or I'm sorry, a short lesson, because really all you're going to be doing is some problems on your lesson worksheet, and so the answers are just provided in this video. So you're going to start off by doing exercises 1 through 5 on your lesson worksheet, and when you are done with that, you can return to the video and check your answers. If you'd like to do number 1 first and then check your answers, I think that is going to show up first for the answers, and then you can pause the video and continue to do the rest of the exercises. Alright, so go ahead and try exercise 1, and when you're ready to begin again, then go ahead and start the video. Alright, so you've either done all 5 exercises or you've done exercise 1. So here is what you should have for 1A and B. So the sample work is shown in blue. So if this is the original and here is our D, or I'm sorry, D is over here, then you're going to rotate 180 or D degrees, and again, it's sample, so it didn't say how many degrees to rotate it, but this is a sample, so yours should be something similar to that. And then you have to rotate around E, and again, that would be the red part here. The biggest thing being that all the angles stay the same and all the lengths stay the same. Alright, if you are continuing on, then pause the video, or if you are checking all your answers, then we're going to go on. Alright, so for part C and D, asking about corresponding angles and side lengths are equal, and then just the explanation as to why single rotations, what properties can you apply to sequences of rotations. And for part 2, here's the picture. And here are the answers for 2A through D. Alright, continuing on, here is number 3 with some sample work. Again, yours might look slightly different, but should be similar. And last, or question 4, again, some rotation triangles above. And last but not least, number 5. So translating along vector C, C prime, and then rotate around point C until it maps onto A prime, B prime, C prime. Remember, the order of transformations always start with a translation, and then a rotation, and then if needed, a reflection. Alright, so that's it. So let's just summarize what this was. Sequences of rotations enjoy the same properties as single rotations. That is, a sequence of rotations preserves length of segments and degrees of measured angles. The order in which a sequence of rotations around 2 different centers is performed matters. The order in which a sequence of rotation around the same center is performed does not matter. So 1 point of rotation doesn't matter. More than 1 point of rotation, the order does matter. And last, when a figure is rotated around 2 different centers, we can describe a sequence of rigid motions that would map the original figure onto the resulting image. So we can describe what is happening when we have rotations around 2 different centers. All right, that's it. We'll see you in class.